We get to do a review today on the Fesley guitar. It is already strung, which is pretty cool because some guitars come not strung.
We're going to review the Fesley guitar. It came with a lot of great equipment, really all you need to be playing. It comes pre-strung, clearly out of tune, but that is to be expected. You don't actually want to transport guitars with tight strings. One of the key things that we'll start with is a tuner. This is great. I just got one of these recently. It's really helpful. Comes with a capo, extra strings, a few guitar picks, a tuning tool. You can use this if you like. I generally don't. A cleaning towel, a couple of pick guards, a guitar strap, along with the string to connect the guitar strap if you want it in a different spot. And if you can see on here on the guitar, it's got a spot here for the guitar strap, and then there'll be another one down here. Some people like to put the guitar strap up on the neck, and so if you want to do that, they include a string. Obviously, you could just include whatever piece of string you want. But we're gonna get it tuning and see how this guy works. It's actually really clever. I tried to open it to clip it, and there's a battery they just put right in here. So you gotta put the battery in. Pretty easy, just slides right off. Just pop it back in. There's lots of brands of these guitar tuners, but then all you do, if you've never used one of these, they're pretty great, but you just clip it to the guitar. Look at the tuner. If you press this button, it actually has, mine doesn't do this, but it has different things. So this is for a bass, ukulele, violin, chromatic. But if you hit guitar, it tells you the string too. So it'll say, well, 6E, so your lowest string, and then you need to tune it up. And it should turn green. There it is. And then 5A. And I've already just played it a little bit, and so it also, the piece that it comes with is this tuning. You just put this over it, and especially if you're going to take them off or tighten it a lot, you can use this to twist it. I don't need to do it right now, and I just use my hands on this, but it does help if you're tuning a lot and have to like really string a guitar. It also comes with replacement strings and decent picks. They're probably a medium, I would say. So I like a lot of flex, but it's already out of tune because I just tuned the strings. But so this is a great guitar for beginners. It comes with everything that you need to get started, even to guitar picks, replacement strings. It has a capo, a tuner, a great carrying bag, kind of a bag to put everything in. Like if you just purchase this kit, you have everything that you need to get started for the first few months, year. Obviously, if you want to play a lot more, there's so many options to guitars, but if somebody in your family is like, hey, I want to learn, this is a great place to start. It also looks really nice. If you play really hard, they've got some pick guards you can put. We didn't put those on, but you slide them right here, and then when you slide, it's not going to scrape the guitar. Those are a pretty neat add. So it really has everything that you need. I can't imagine anything else that you would need to start and to play for. You could play this for years, but yeah.